reaction niyo po, the President expressed full faith and confidence in you.
I thank him for that.
Sir, kwento
I
niyo,
already thank him.
what happened when you met the President and talked
Wala,
about
sabi
it?
ko, Mr. President, thank you for your expression of confidence. And he said, ay, totoo naman yun. Yun lang. Ay, totoo naman yun. Hindi, totoo yung sinabi niya na he vouched for my character and that what I did was the correct thing. Oh, by the way, some of you were asking about the circumstances of the visit. You know that it's only yesterday that I learned the detail. Kasi hindi ko naman remember, we had a press briefing on October, ano yun? April, Darren? Ano nga yun? Ano yung unang punta? Feb 7, meron tayong press briefing. Paglabas ko dyan, they were there. And I didn't recognize the mother-daughter simply because 27 years ago na eh. So, syempre.